Hi friends! Today I'll be showing you an easy method to test if the cooking sauce has iodine. For this experiment, you'll need some salt, some cooking rice, and a half-cut lemon. First, put the salt onto the rice. Now mix it thoroughly. Now as you can see, the mixture is white in color. Next, squeeze the lemon juice onto the mixture. Now as you can see, the mixture has turned blue. So this indicates the cooking salt is iodized. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do try this experiment at home to see if your cooking salt is